Did you know your kidneys filter your entire blood volume about 10 to 15 times each day? That's right, these bean-shaped organs are working tirelessly behind the scenes, removing waste products and keeping your internal environment clean. We often take our kidneys for granted, but they are essential for overall health and vitality. Without healthy kidneys, our bodies wouldn't be able to function properly. Think of your kidneys as your body's personal filtration system, constantly working to remove toxins and excess fluids. It's a big job, and one that deserves our attention and care. Just like any filter, your kidneys can get clogged and overworked. When this happens, it can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, impacting everything from energy levels to overall well-being. In the following sections, we'll explore the importance of kidney health and share a simple, natural way to support these hardworking organs. Kidneys do more than just filter waste. They play a vital role in detoxification, digestion, and even energy production. Let's take a closer look at how these amazing organs contribute to your overall health. Firstly, your kidneys act as a sophisticated filtration system, removing waste products from your blood and flushing them out through urine. This process helps prevent the buildup of toxins that can lead to inflammation and disease. Secondly, your kidneys are essential for maintaining proper fluid balance in your body. They regulate electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, which are crucial for hydration and cell function. Beyond filtration, your kidneys also produce hormones, including erythropoietin, which stimulates red blood cell production. These red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body, impacting your energy levels and overall vitality. Given their crucial role in so many bodily functions, it's no wonder that prioritizing kidney health is essential for feeling your best. In our modern world, we are constantly bombarded with toxins. These harmful substances can come from various sources, including the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even the products we use on our bodies. Some common culprits that put stress on our kidneys include processed foods. These often contain high levels of sodium, artificial ingredients, and preservatives that can overload the kidneys. Sugar. Excess sugar intake can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance, both of which can increase the risk of kidney disease. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water makes it harder for the kidneys to flush out waste products, putting extra strain on these organs. Medications. Certain medications, especially pain relievers taken in excess, can be hard on the kidneys over time. Environmental toxins. Pollution, pesticides, and heavy metals can accumulate in the body and put additional stress on the kidneys. Reducing your exposure to these everyday toxins is a crucial step in supporting your kidneys and overall health. Your kidneys are incredibly resilient, but they can only handle so much. Ignoring their signals for help can lead to more serious health problems down the line. Here are some common signs that your kidneys may be struggling. Changes in urination. This can include increased or decreased frequency, changes in color or odor, or difficulty urinating. Fluid retention. Noticeable swelling in your feet, ankles, face, or hands can indicate that your kidneys aren't removing excess fluids effectively. Fatigue. Feeling constantly tired and lacking energy, even after a good night's sleep, can be a sign of kidney problems. Skin problems. Dry, itchy skin or skin that bruises easily can indicate a buildup of toxins in the body, which the kidneys are struggling to remove. Back pain. Pain in your lower back, just below the rib cage, can be a sign of kidney infection or kidney stones. If you experience any of these symptoms persistently, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Section 5. A refreshing solution. The Kidney Boosting Detox Drink. Support your kidneys with this easy-to-make detox drink. Cranberries prevent infections, lemon is a natural diuretic, and cucumber keeps you hydrated. Parsley cleanses the kidneys and is rich in vitamins. Together, these ingredients create a revitalizing drink for optimal kidney function. Section 6. Crafting your kidney cleansing elixir. Making your own kidney-boosting detox drink is simple and only requires a few basic ingredients. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of fresh cranberries, 1 lemon juiced, half a cucumber sliced, and a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. The instructions are straightforward. First, rinse the cranberries, cucumber, and parsley thoroughly. Next, juice the lemon using a citrus juicer or by hand. Then, combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. After that, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or pulp. Finally, pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. This recipe makes one serving. Feel free to double or triple the recipe to share with family and friends or to have leftovers on hand. Section 7. Timing is key. When to enjoy your detox drink. While you can enjoy this refreshing drink any time of day, incorporating it into your routine strategically can maximize its benefits. Drinking this detox drink first thing in the morning can help flush out toxins that have accumulated overnight and kickstart your kidneys for the day. Consuming this drink between meals can aid in digestion and prevent dehydration. Enjoying this drink a couple of hours before bed can help promote kidney function while you sleep. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the frequency and timing of consumption based on your individual needs. Section 8. Beyond the Drink Holistic Kidney Care. This detox drink supports kidney health, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some additional tips for optimal kidney function. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. This helps flush out waste and prevents dehydration. Eat a balanced diet with whole, unprocessed foods. Manage stress through exercise, meditation, or nature. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. A holistic approach supports kidney health and well-being.